Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a medium saucepan, combine butter, sugar, vanilla and salt over medium heat. Cook, whisking constantly, until butter has melted and mixture is almond brown in color, about 10 to 15 minutes. Immediately spread the hot caramel mixture evenly over the almonds. Sprinkle with chocolate chips. 11 December 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
Toffee, chewy or crunchy? Toffee is rather known for sticking to your teeth, I'm afraid. If yours is getting too sticky or chewy, you may not be heating it to the proper temperature. If that's not the problem, but it gets more chewy over time, it may be absorbing more moisture, causing it to become extra chewy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Toffee is made from sugar and butter. Chefs cook toffee longer than caramel so it reaches a hardened, brittle state. Check out Aunt Rose's fantastic butter toffee for a tasty example. The candy is usually topped with chocolate, nuts or coconut, and gobbled up instantly. 16 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Toffee needs to be heated to the correct temperature, 290 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid a chewy texture. The instructions in some recipes will tell you to cook until the color of a brown paper bag. Apparently my version of a brown paper bag was not brown enough and I ended up with chewy candy. 5 December 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.